We're out at Constantin's home. This is a friend of Steve Morph's. They've got two-stage condensers, each of which are 4-ton for the home. Heat pumps rather, not just condensers. But as you can see here, one of the heat pump feet is actually broke, and we've got a brick under there to hold the thing level. We're going to give options to replace both systems. Refrigerant lines will have to be flushed because the basement is finished. We're going to go back on this concrete pad. It just, at first glance, it looks like it's kind of leaned forward a little bit, so we might have to make sure that the units are level on top of these pads. Got this large GE panel. We're likely going to be just going back here. I'm not making any changes to this, but I'll get on the inside of this and take a look here in just a second. Yeah, all right, so we've got a 40 amp for each one of these heat pumps. And that's likely what we're going to be going back with.